Welcome to Hucrest, the place where you learn AI, programming, and the technologies shaping our future. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hucrest. In the previous video, we have discussed about the introduction of Python. In this video, you will clearly know what careers Python can give you, what skills are needed for each role, whether certifications matter, and how Python can help job seekers, freelancers, and business owners. Python is not just a programming language, it's a career engine powering companies like Google, Netflix, Amazon, OpenAI, and startups worldwide. Whether you are a student, a working professional, a job seeker, or a business owner, Python can open multiple career paths for you. In this video, we will explore the complete Python career roadmap. No confusion, no hype, only clarity. Why Python is a career language? Python is easy to learn and readable, used in multiple industries, huge global demand, works with AI, cloud, web, data and automation, strong open source ecosystem. Python is like English in programming. Once you learn it, you can work in many domains. Python career paths. A Python developer can do backend development, APIs, business logic, automation scripts, for which skills required are core Python, object-oriented programming concepts, Flask, Fast API, Django, JIT and SQL. Who should choose this? Beginners, web developers, software engineers. Web development with Python. Web development with Python. Technologies are Django, Flask, Fast API, PostgreSQL, MySQL, React or Angular. The roles are backend developer, full stack developer, used by startups, SaaS companies, product companies. Data analyst or data scientist. Python tools are Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, sklearn. Career roles are data analyst, data scientist, business intelligence engineer, and used in the industries finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and marketing. AI and machine learning engineer. Python libraries are TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, OpenAI APIs, LangChain. There are high demand roles like artificial intelligence engineer, machine learning engineer, natural language processing engineer. This is where future jobs are exploding. Automation and scripting engineer. Following are the use cases: automating reports, testing automation, file handling, web scraping. Ideal for IT professionals, QA engineers, operations teams. Cloud and DevOps with Python. Where Python is used, AWS Lambda, CI/CD pipelines, infrastructure automation. Tools are Python plus AWS, Docker, Kubernetes. Freelancing and consulting. Some of the available platforms are Upwork, Fiverr, TopJob. You can offer services like API development, automation scripts, data processing, AI integration. Python for business owners and founders. They use Python for automating operations, CRM and ERP tools, marketing analytics, AI chatbots, internal dashboards. Python saves time, money, and manpower. Global Python job opportunities. Python is a global skill not limited to any one country. The high demand regions are United States, India, Canada, United Kingdom, Singapore, France, Netherlands, Germany, Australia, Japan, and the Middle East. Python offers you remote global opportunities, allowing you to work from anywhere. Python certifications. Do they matter? Certifications do not replace skills, but they provide structured learning, improve resume credibility, help career switchers, and increase confidence.
Globally recognized certifications.
The globally recognized certifications are Python Institute, PCEP, PCAP, PCPP, Microsoft Python certifications, Google Python and data certifications, IBM Python for data science and AI, AWS machine learning and AI certification.
Salary and growth opportunities.
Let's know the approximate global trends. Entry level Python roles are well paid. AI and data roles pay premium salaries. Freelancers can earn per project. Business automation gives return on investment, not salary.
Python career roadmap.
Learn Python basics, practice problem solving, choose a specialization, build real projects, create a portfolio, do certifications if needed, apply for jobs, freelance, or build a business. Now that you clearly understand the Python career path and global opportunities, the next step is to start learning Python from scratch along with fundamentals like installation, IDE, terminal, and so on. So, if you are ready to upgrade your skills, build powerful AI projects, and stay ahead in the fast changing tech world, subscribe now because at Hucrest, your success is our mission.